Good morning all students. As you know, I have completed the chapter number 2 whole numbers exercise 2.3. All questions has been completed. I have taken these questions because some of the students don't know about the property properly. So this video especially I make for those students who directly multiply the number. So in this class you are going to understand how to find out the product using properties. Okay, so it is done it should not be written in your copy. It is just for the example to understand you. Now coming to the question number 1, to find the product by using suitable arrangements. You can see question has been given. Question number 1, 2 into 1658 multiplied by 50 means we have to multiply the given number. Generally you can multiply the number, no problem, you will find the same product, but in this question we have to use arrangements. Actually arrangements help us to find the product in easy way. Remember, this will help us to find the product in easy way. For example, if you multiply 2 into 50 then multiplied by 1658, you know multiply by 50 and 2 will be easy. 50 multiplied by 2, it is 100 into 1658. Now multiplication by 100 is very easy. So 1658 and 20 will be added. Now coming to the question number 2, taking 4 into 25 then multiply the number by 927. Now multiply the number 25 4 it is 100 into 927, and when you multiply 927 by 100, 927 by 100, add only number of zeros, so you are getting the answer. Now moving to the next question, find the product by using property. You can see 647 13 plus 647 multiplied by 7. So there is a way to multiply this number and this number. You can multiply then add the number, you will get the answer, but here we have to use suitable property so that it can be easy for us. Now how? You can see 647 is a common number. We will write the common number here 647, and remaining number is 13 and 7 will be added. Now 647 as it is, 13 plus 7 be added, it is 20. Now multiply the number by 20 to 647. 2 7 ja 14, 2 4 ja 8, 1 9, 2 6 ja 12, and number of 0 will be added. So easily we can find out the solution of the given numbers. Again same type question, you can see 8759 is a common number, so write the common number, and 94 and 6 can be added. Okay, 94 and 6 can be added easily. So 8759 into, after adding the number you get 100. Now 8759 and number of 20 will be added, so this is the answer. So you can see in a very easy manner we can learn these things, how to multiply the numbers. Now moving to the next question, find the product using distributive law. We have to find out the product. Actually you can find out the product directly. 740 multiplied by 105 in the column method you can find out easily, but here it is a case of different. You have to use distributive law. According to this law you have to distribute the numbers. How? Suppose that we have to remember the things that those numbers is around 100. It can be break easily. How? 740 into 105 can be written as 100 plus 5. Then we will multiply this number and again we will multiply to this number and this will be added. If you see, you will understood. 740 multiplied by 100, then 740 multiplied by 5. Now moving to the here, 740 and 20. Now 500, 5 4 ja 20, 5 7 ja 35 plus 2 37. Now adding the number 0 0 0 0 0 0 7 and 0, it is 7, and 3 and 4, it is 7, and this number is 7. So we got the answer. I hope you can understood. Now last question. See, this is 847 and it is 99. So we can convert 99 around 100. How? 847 multiplied by, we can write the 99 in this manner. Again you can see, if you subtract 1 by 100, again you will get 99. So this is a different pattern of writing 99. Now 847 multiplied by 100 minus 847 multiplied by 1. Multiplying these numbers, 84700 minus 847 847. Now we can subtract the number 84700 and 847. Subtract the number. 10 minus 7, it is 3. 9 minus 4, it is 5. 16 minus 8, 8. 3 8. After subtracting the number 83853. Okay student, this is only for the example to understand the property, because this is difficult for all of you this time. I hope this video will help you to understand the property, but don't write in the copy. This is this question has been taken by my own. Okay, only for the example purpose. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.